Here's a quick concept check for you using one of the most recent picks from one of our scouting reports. Looking at this chart of US Steel, it's been in a downtrend. We're talking about the bearish 1, 2, 3 pattern. Well, there's a couple of good examples of that pattern. Here's a good example of the breakdown. So you got a support zone, and you see the market breaking down here. That's one, breakdown one. That's a great place to sell short. Anytime a stock breaks support in the context of that downtrend, great time to sell short. Now, this one would have been tough to spot exactly when it got overextended to the downside. It kept dropping, and it ended up dropping for the good duration of a month. And you can see where down here I've got an RSI indicator. We'll do another breakout video on that. But it was showing quite a bit oversold, really oversold. And so although you're not sure where to take the profit in that zone exactly, 2 probably falls anywhere down in here. Probably this whole neighborhood is really where you're looking to take a profit. And then after you get that breakdown 1, the overextension 2, so 1, again, overextension 2, you did get that retracement back up into like the 20-period moving average and old support resistance zone from back here. It's an old one, but if I can extend that over in that ballpark, there's that stage 3. And stage 3 creates that breakdown, kind of a retracement, kiss goodbye setup when you see it heading south again. So 1, 2, 3, here it is again repeating. Boom. Breakdown 1, overextension with the doji there, that's stage 2. And then a retracement back up into the old support resistance zone. We're currently in a stage 3, and really we'd need to see it break down. We need to see it actually head down below these candle lows to really prove to us that it's going down. But again, catch the breakdown below the support. Avoid it when it's overextended and oversold like you saw here. That's for taking profits. And then when you get that retracement back into the support resistance catalyst and you start to see that confirmation, that's that good old stage 3. So now you have a better understanding of the breakdown 1, 2, 3. That's one of our core trading patterns.